mistake was letting her go searching for my son, yeah, that one. It ain't right. I've been waiting, spilling beans, hearing daddy, daddy, daddy. I'm depressed around the nest, day and night. And what sort of time do you call this?
We sort of lost track of time. The owl didn't give a hoot.
Well, excuse me, but your father does.
Mom wouldn't let us stay out.
Your mom's not here. You're all grounded.
Oh, Juana.
Excuse me? Where did you get that kind of language? I told you not to hang out with that jaybird. He's so blue.
Well, you say it.
That's different. I say it in a mature, adult manner.
Well, it still means the same thing. Hey, you! When's Mom coming back?
I don't know, honey. Did you guys even preen your feathers?
We haven't gotten around to it yet.
Haven't gotten around to it yet. Do you know what happens to ducklings that don't preen their feathers? They sink.
Well, I wasn't finished talking to you. When is she coming
I
back?
don't know, honey. Now, did you at least eat the pondweed that I packed for you?
The pelicans don't have pond.
No, the pelicans don't.
Will she find ugly?
I don't know. I don't know. All right, Claudia, off to roost. Go. And don't forget to brush your beaks. My bill's big enough! When Ada said she'd go, I had to let her. Ashamed because this apron suits her better. Where's the joy in motherhood? An endless round of chores that have to be done. And when you think you've seen the back of them, you find in actual fact your back is swell one. There's no joy in motherhood, or if there is, it's something I just can't see. Yet Ida somehow copes with all of this. And then on top of that, she puts up with me.
Dad!
Now what?
I was searching a pond, I was searching a stream, every river. And the broadest of bays and the widest of lakes must be crossed. Now you are missing from my life. It's me who's feeling lost. Without you, I feel lost. See the way the odds are stacked.
Have you heard anything from Anya?
Nah, she got the cell phone switched off. But the pitcher delivered a note this morning. All it said was, I'm here, Twin Jugs, Minnesota. I don't know if that's a place or she's just being offensive.
Chasing from a strong belief. Look at her, it's so hard to come to terms with grief. And she's about so high with a rather characteristic honk.
Sounds like that swanny that shot through here a while ago. I say he shot through. It was us who shot through. It was like Sag Harbor.
I think we heard along here.
You take this and help.
Look at her, something that she's getting me. Look at her, she's in this foolish And how do we know that you are not a cat? I beg your pardon? Well, the last duck that came by here ended up being a tomcat. Did somebody say tomcat?
north of here, isn't it?
Yes.
How very interesting.
Help me, please help me, I'm caught.
Who are you?
I'm Penny, please, do you think you can untangle me?
I'll try. What are you?
A swan. Mind you don't hurt yourself in that hook. No point in us both being damaged.
A swan.
Typical me, my first migration and what happens.
Your first what?
Migration. The cold weather's setting in, and we're leaving today for the warm lands.
Leaving.
You're a funny one. All these questions.
Sorry.
What's your name?
Everybody calls me ugly.
Don't listen to them. It's just a stage we'll have to go through. You should have heard some things they used to call me before the molt. Penny plain, penny dreadful, penny dropping.
Pretty Penny? How can anyone call you names?
Well, like I said, it's just a stage we'll have to go through.
Excuse me, could you lift your wing? There.
My mother always warned me to avoid the fishing line that people leave behind.
So did mine. She used to tell me about it when we were out swimming. There. Just one more loop around your leg.
Thank you. I thought I was going to be left here, and this is no place to spend the winter alone. Where's your flock?
I don't know. I'm lost. I got separated from my family, and the more I look for them, the further it seems I wander away.
That's dreadful. When did you last see them?
In the spring.
In the spring, you poor thing. You haven't seen them since the spring. You can't stay here for the winter. You'll freeze.
No, I'll be all right.
Penny, come with me. The others won't mind, and in the spring we'll return together, and I'll help you find your family.
Oh, no, I couldn't possibly.
Of course you could. Come on, or I'll never catch up.
Penny, I'd love to. I'd really love to, but I can't fly. Or at least not well enough to go with you.
It's all right if you're not as strong as the others. I'll stay back with you and fly at your pace.
It sounds wonderful. But I have to keep going. I have to find my mother. I'm sure she can't be far away now. But maybe if you come back in the spring, we could meet up again.
I'd like that. Are you sure you'll be all right?
Sure.
Come along, we'll be late. I hate to leave you like this, but I really do have to go now. Goodbye, and thank you. I'll never forget you.